not have expected, nor would they have wished to see as much of the mad and macabre as they were to see that day. For them, an idyllic summer afternoon drive became a nightmare. The events of that day were to lead to the discovery of one of the most bizarre crimes in the annals of American history.
The Mastic Eviction Nightmare.
Oil storage units continue to burn out of control at the huge Texaco refinery near...
We are here. I hope so. Could be someone living in there.
Yeah, could be. I saw them last night. They were all... I just ordered one yesterday.
Mm-hmm.
And it's oil heat. Get rid of it, that would be ideal. Oh my god, there's cat shit and fecal matter everywhere. I don't know if somebody...
Well, I know there were dogs in there.
Those fly traps have been there for years.
Well, I do know that soon after this showed up, for my first time in 30 years, I got roaches.
Wow. Yeah, this thing is a... It's a hot mess in here.
I'm pretty sure they were living in there because they had it.
The rest of the family members live around this area?
I think so. I think they're not too far.
And they should be ashamed of themselves.
Right over there.
That's easy.
Okay.
The electric is still on.
Oh my
yeah,
god.
that's not there.
Oh man, this is fucked. Jesus.
Oh, wow, this is a lot worse. This wasn't like this.
Yeah, this has to get either jacked up or
ripped and
out and reframed.
Or rip the bottom. You have to frame the whole bottom, right?
Reframe it.
Yeah.
Just cut cut this floor out and reframe it.
This was up to here, all the way across. You couldn't even come in. You had to come in like this. You know, in order to squeeze in with all the shit.
I smell like from the animals.
You said the electric one?
I mean, I heard a smoke detector.
Oh, yeah, so that's probably...
Okay. I mean, this floor is kind of intact.
So,
Yeah, it was just painted wood.
paneling.
Right.
Electric stove.
This was all brand new, the appliances, too.
Yeah, all the appliances are new.
Was there something else?
It was no.
Also, they broke that cabinet.
Okay.
Shelving.
No creatures running around?
No, but just be careful because there could be bed bugs.
Oh, yeah, you're right.
So like any carpeted areas, just be
No
careful.
carpet. That would, yeah. Stinks in here.
the utilities in your name or their?
No, their name. It was everything was in their name.
I'm surprised they didn't.
The couch.
Out,
Yeah, they left that here, right?
I don't understand how they brought that in.
Right. Of course, they got the litter right there.
Oh yeah.
I'm scared to look in the attic.
Yeah. They were all brand new windows too.
What is that smell in here?
I know, it smells terrible.
To see if there was water in it, and there's still shit in the toilet.
Oh my god.
Oh.
Oh my god. Look at the smoke detector.
Yeah.
So that's running on battery backup right now.
Yes.
Right.
Um,
Oh, there's a roach right there.
oh, there's a lot of them.
Oh my god.
Oh yeah.
And
Oh
they're
my
alive,
god.
so-
Jesus Christ.
Oh, they're because they hide on the frames. So when you open the door,
Yeah. Well,
That's all in
with
fact.
the food and the garbage.
look at them. They're all over.
Well, I know there was a big spider problem because, like, in the summer there's a lot of spiders,
Yeah, the
but.
roaches are all over. Yeah, look at that. And you know what it is?
Oh man.
Oh yeah, look, they hide. You're gonna have this treated.
Jesus Christ.
Yeah. And clean your feet because you can also bring the eggs back.
Mm. Well, this is a massive undertaking, to say the least.
Yes.
I don't know.
Um,
I mean, this is a total rehab.
yeah.
Fuck.
Well, you could get away with painting. I mean, you gotta exterminate.
So
I don't see holes in the walls.
they're wood.
Yeah,
They're
paneling.
I'm not saying that we should gut the whole house.
Yeah.
Ideally, let's say if there was an infinite amount of money, I would say just gut it and start fresh with fresh sheetrock and insulation,
Yeah.
and maybe, update the electric. Once it's fumigated, well, first it needs to be cleaned out,
Mm-hmm.
then it needs to be fumigated, but it needs to be fumigated more than once in order to kill
Right.
all of these bugs. The kitchen, so that fake backsplash needs to get scraped off.
Yeah. Oh.
These cabinets, I could try to clean these up,
Uh-huh.
but this one cabinet, I could make a drawer for that,
Right.
and then probably just semi-gloss it
Yeah.
and
I'll
make
repaint
it work. I don't recommend spackling over wood because it's just gonna fall off.
Mm-hmm.
So that wall is gonna have to get addressed. It looks like there's a seam here, so I could pull this panel off, pull that panel off. I could maybe wood fill the other holes here.
Mm-hmm.
But yeah, if you want to go upstairs,
I'll peek it.
oh, that just makes it.
Yeah, that was an interesting...
Oh, there goes the drawer, the cover.
I don't know if you're going upstairs.
Oh, they must have broke that.
Yeah, that was not as broken. It was workable when I bought it. Like, you could bring it down if
Oh,
you're
there
careful.
goes. The screws came off.
Yeah, that's just true.
There's a spider coming down.
Be careful, you don't want to get slipped out.
What the fuck?
Make sure those creepy crawlers don't get hit.
Yeah, I mean my boots are pretty good, but
Yeah. Were they living up there?
It's just a door, some boxes, a door frame, I don't see anything moving at the moment. Oh no, they're up here.
Ooh.
Sorry.
Yeah, they find their way.
What do you see?
Yeah, no, there's cockroaches up there, but it's probably the cleanest part of the house.
Huh.
Yuck.
Door back here, do you want this one?
Well, it's going to be the very, very back
And
and the very, very front.
yes.
Yeah.
That makes sense.
Okay.
So I'll let you guys go. I have an office meeting, so I'll talk to you. Just give me a ring.
Yeah,
Or
I'll
send
let
me
you
a
know.
text. Nice seeing you. If you need anything, I'm Walter. If you need anything, just let me know, and
Absolutely.
I also have contacts out here for dumpsters too. If you have inexpensive dumpsters as well.
Yeah, I used a company that was out of